got a lot of time in here today on the Eldorado. I had to make us our hard lines here. I gotta get these fittings, still haven't shown up, by the way. It's just 2 more of these. Of course, this vendor was out. The other vendor sent me the wrong ones. Away we go. So I need to get fitting here, flare this, done. Fitting in, flare, hard line out and down, and get rid of this hot mess right here, because you have a fuel filter here in the correct position. You don't ever need this. So we have this going on. We're going to remove that electric fuel pump that's in the back later, but today I got all these hard lines made by hand. This is all handmade. This is for clearance, of course, for the air cleaner, because we don't have the factory air cleaner. So this is a little bit larger diameter and it sits differently, so we had to get a little creative, but it works. I couldn't just come out and over or come out and over, because air cleaner interference straight across here, because this is a drop down air cleaner and I can't even put much of a riser. I'm gonna have to put a very small riser and it'll still clear, but if I went any higher, wouldn't have any hood clearance. So had to mess with that. Have your coil mocked up. Your distributor, as you saw last time, is stabbed in at number 1. And we will be handling this valve cover gasket issue real quick and go from there. We got the silicone mess cleaned off the valve cover. Got the fresh gasket in there. Like I said, there's our distributor marked for number 1. That's ready to roll. We got our wires sitting right there. There's our cap. I got it all numbered and ready to rock. So we're gonna be doing real good here next time I'm over. Should be pretty close to firing everything up. Oh, she's coming along.